All right. So yesterday,
Is the time from yesterday?
no, this is one from today. This is going to be very similar. So yesterday you had this formula. We had.
Okay, you got a paper. You say? Oh, she just got found out.
So this was our formula we plugged into yesterday. This is the only difference we are making today. See if you can catch the only change about today.
I didn't do the work from yesterday. I didn't understand.
Okay. Well, if you didn't understand yesterday, today will help you understand that. What did I change? Again?
96.
No, it's a percent sign. So, because we're always going to have a percent sign in our name. All right. Now, the only difference between today and yesterday is yesterday, everything was increasing. Today, everything's decreasing. So you notice at the top, it says exponential decay, whereas yesterday it was growth. Although it's almost exactly the same, the only difference is there's a minus sign right there, whereas yesterday you had a plus sign. So we're going to use our scientific decimal calculator. All right. Now, while I look up here, there should be a beginning amount. What is the beginning amount for number one? The 16. That's my beginning amount. And then I got 1 minus. What is my percent? It should be more than this. This is the one with a percent sign on it. 20. Then it says how many times or how much time has passed. What do I got? Yes. So 3 numbers. Does everybody see where I got the 3 numbers from? Where I plugged them in. So we're going to come over here and I'm going to type it in just like it looks. Which one? The green. So in the bottom, it says how much dirt will remain after 10 passes. So 10 times. Basically, after I vacuum 10 times. So the number of times. Yes. I watch my kids because they had doctor appointments and so I had to go on these things.
Oh, man.
But
Yeah, see that? No.
I started typing it in. I typed in 16 parentheses 1 minus, and now I have a fraction. How do I put the fraction in? Over here in the top right-hand corner, it says A over B, so that gives me my fraction. We got 20 on the top. 100 on the bottom. Close the parentheses. And my exponent, so A to the power of B, is 10. And I hit enter. Now that gives me a really long decimal. We're just going to round to 2 decimal places. So if I just stop at 2 decimal places, what's my answer going to be? If I do 2 decimal places, what's my answer?
If you move 2 decimal places?
Yes,
So
2
for
decimal
that?
places. So the number is 1 point, and then I'm going to do 2 decimal places. So that's what it's going to be. The first number is a 7, and then I need one more number, and it's going to be it's a 1, but what's the next number? 7. So if this number right here is 5 or more, I'll round up. If it was 4 or less, I'd leave it alone. So 7, 2. And 1.72 what? What are my units? What do I find? Ounces. Yes. So this is how much dirt is left on my floor after I vacuumed 10 times. Okay. Do one more together. All the problems should work pretty much the same way. All be the same formula. They all have 3 numbers. We'll do one more.
I didn't do it yesterday.
Now you know how we learned yesterday. All you gotta do is change that right there to a plus sign, and there you go. So what you did yesterday. Only difference. All right. Now I'm already write that down. I'm gonna erase it, and then we're gonna try number 2 together. Once you finish. If you did not grab a picture on the way in, what do you like to do? What?
Feedback. Don't erase that. You take it after this one?
It's
So
not.
the EOC is our topic. So which will be
The loss already, what she did.
the last day of school is, count back 2 or 3 days, and that'll probably be the whatever the last day of school is in December. Count backwards. Like
Oh, to go on our break.
Because usually they give us 1 or 2 days.
Was it hard? It's hard.
Everything.
Everything for the whole class.
I'm gonna feel it.
Well, hopefully not.
Hopefully
Hopefully well. But no, we will spend a lot of time. Like most of my classes are going to 5 days review for 5 assignments. For Algebra 1, we usually spend more like 10 to 12 days.
Yeah, let me get the right of it.
So by the time you get to it, you pay attention during those 12 days, and you will have seen just everything. I will say that semester, my class always easy because with all the problems I threw, they were harder than the actual ones. Did really well. So I think a student not pass it last
Okay, let me get the whole. And then you get to get out.
year. Get out with people.
Let me see.
I'm not even.
No, I did it. Come on.
Huh?
All of you are on my roster.
No, I'm not. I don't know what you're
Oh,
talking
my legion.
Yes, I can feel it. What happened was I had to take this.
My legion.
I said, both.
One. It's about to be taken off.
You take EOC at the end?
I can't eat the whole thing.
That didn't take both.
You didn't take both.
What did I say?
You still part of it.
Yes, sir.
Fund bills.
And then what is the next step?
That's like the get into algebra.
What is the next step?
It's intermediate, but they're phasing that out. No one's gonna be doing fundamental.
Oh, I was supposed to say that.
Anderson.
That's what it was.
The thumb is like this big. I still want it. Come on.
Hey, we got Carlos.
Yes, go ahead.
Can I stop talking?
I'll leave my formula up there, so just erasing the numbers we plugged in.
I'm split it in half. I'm fucking coming half. I'm splitting the lollipop. The gum is like this big. I'm not gonna get the whole gum. Come on.
Before I plug in, Steve, you can beat me to the next step. Find the numbers. plug into
I
our
just
formula.
try and keep on trying.
Money is.
Right, I know you're lying to me right now. Just give it. Just give it. Hurry up. No, I'm not done. I gotta put down one. I'm about to break this deal with you. I'm about to break this deal.
Good.
It's not a big deal. It's like, you never
Dealing with money.
do the your part.
Like all those years.
Just give me your hand. That's a really super speed to snatch it out her hand. Do it. No, I'm saying, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, you've been training your first.
So that one right there, yes. We always gonna have, so if it's increasing, which is what I did yesterday, we have one plus. If it's decreasing, one minus.
Okay, bitch, I'm not even that fucking English. I got you.
Now, you got independent, so one minus.
I'm a little fuck, though.
Mine is. What's supposed to go on the top? 8.
Oh, my hand.
Yeah. Fast right?
No, right?
Got it?
I know you will lie.
I don't know. You got time?
Alright, beginning, what is our beginning, or sometimes we call it our initial amount? That's our starting amount.
Oh, you broke the deal?
8. Yes.
Hopefully that right there.
Like, yo. The lollipop even. No, you broke it. Bro. No, Joseph, we can't have you.
Then I get to 1 minus,
Shut up. 10.
10, 10% right there.
Easy.
Then how many times?
8.
For a time is 8 years. Alright, so now you should be able to type in yellow, just that right there
I told you.
into Desmos and it'll give you your answer. Now, my answer is gonna be money, right? So we're also gonna round this to 2 decimal points.
I've been in the movie, let's go.
Do you have everybody's like wrong?
And you need to deal with those measures. That's what I'm so it's on you.
He said he was doing the whole.
You make me so. To make you feel like that.
I told you I'm not trap out.
What trap?
Not the
What point is that?
It is really.
You could technically get away with that.
I bet you make it from that dusty old dusty.
My mom, it's not really mine. They let me have it for right now till I get it.
I got you.
Fuck your phone, nigga.
Yeah. You could put anybody.
Like your AirPods.
They keep calling because these people that shit.
Ah.
No.
And this pops up both on the graph and here. Don't put the comma in the Desmos.
So look right now, pretty high.
Desmos does not like it when you enter the comma in the Desmos. Because we actually have a lot of things we use commas for.
What a dot is?
What? They pause every
Yeah, like zero.
Yeah, and this one is not changing anything. But,
At the play market?
I wrote them just because they're part of the problem.
Swear to God.
You buy AirPods?
Yeah, so round
Oh, yeah, you done.
to 2 decimal places.
To the-
2 decimal.
Okay. How do I do a
How much you pay for that?
100?
You're so stupid.
No, the one that
You
goes.
could have bought one that actually worked well.
These new ones.
No, they do not.
How they just.
You want to test it out?
Oh, let's try it.
I don't want to try it no more. No,
Whose fault is that? Y'all are using it.
This looks so good. I remember when your phone used to work.
Let's talk about something.
You're so commercial, like you need to actually know what you do. Like you're animated, so you're like talking. You haven't done.
Am I really animated?
You are.
Okay, well, I'm going to put it in.
So that next number's an 8, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, of course you don't know what I'm talking about because you never do the work.
All right.
The silent after.
I have 6.
So that will ever make you shit. You like Netflix?
Right.
Oh, yes.
Dr. Russell told us. Zero.
Who asked?
Whole life.
She makes money.
Just to be mad, cause you think.
Get off my thing.
It's only in the broke boy.
How much money that you in, but
Most definitely do.
I'm gonna watch. Always have more satisfying transfer.
Why you got here?
Why you want-
No, playing back in my accent all the way up.
When I can.
You can't turn it up? It is low, like that. The airport.
You lost?
I'll make this harder than that.
Don't tell me. Okay, I'll just wait till you.
But you need to fill out your equation for each one. You guys show us your equation. So you see this right here, what's in yellow.
I have a question. I gotta be right. I'm trying to laugh, but it's not working. You never. I have a question. So when I put this for this,
Yes.
and then the percent that I put, just like I'm doing here, and then the exponent.
She put it on your line. Yeah, go ahead and get that. No,
That's just, that's so, yeah.
No,
Well, that just means you're starting at 4.
it doesn't really.
Okay, you're not getting me.
Decay, come here, please. You don't have to. I can help.
I can't use it.
I can help. Which one?
We're broke.
Yeah. I can bring some snacks.
Why did you do that for
We're
no?
not trying to make it,
You're not supposed to put 10 on.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Yeah. Are you in your work now?
Oh, you. I had to try. You could do it. Weird.
It's because I if you like the new property.
Oh, shoot, that's actually cool.
All right, number 5, I'm skipping ahead a little bit because this one's weird and different. Okay, now when you're doing this, make sure you write down the equation you're plugging into and your final answer. not just
Wait, a 5?
This is tempting.
Equation
Huh?
and answer. All right, skip ahead, number 5. What's the beginning amount for number 5?
Did you put the exponent? Where you did?
The beginning amount right there is 6,180. 1 minus my percent is 2.
Kathy, I have a question.
Now, here's the problem. If I look at Tom, I look at number 5. If I look at Tom's, I see that number right there, right? But when did it start? It's in the beginning number. When did it start? What year? So if starting in 2022 is ending in 2028. How many years? So my T is 6. So be careful with the years. They do that all the time.
Subscribe. Did you know that? Seriously?
Thank you.
Huh?
Thanks for making sure. Sometimes they need some help.
Yeah. Everybody can help me. Yes. Yes.
Keep asking you to ask Nick, like, he keep asking me if I got it, like, get him away from me. He's asking me about this.
Wait, he was sitting there first. Why are you asking me to get him? Why don't you just sit away from him?
I never said that, I'm leaving big.
But we don't really get.
Like,
I don't date, sorry, I don't date.
You gonna be Brittany?
You wish you
And
would
he
do
gonna
it.
be out there?
Fuck you forever.
That's-
Okay,
But if it's not done, it's.
you should do that one where you know the little rabbits, I mean, the bunny,
Exactly.
and it was like
Yes.
Roxanne, you know that?